People describe FPA Retreat in a lot of different ways, and one of the terms they use is think tank. Now, a think tank is where bright people come together to discuss the problems of the day, work out solutions to those problems, or just kick around ideas. To facilitate that process, we're bringing in David Isaacs, who's an internationally known facilitator. In fact, he's a co-creator of a concept and an organization known as World Cafe. People sit around small tables and they engage in a facilitated conversation and they ask the big questions. And David recommended Giselle Chow, who will also be participating with us. Giselle is what they call a graphic recorder. Essentially, she draws pictures of ideas. So while people speak and while they discuss, she's drawing pictures and creating a tapestry of the conference that will form a semi-permanent record of it and that people can refer back to later. Registrations are filling up very, very quickly.